Hi ladies, let's talk about something that can perhaps make us a little more refined. At times, we have to carry a second pair of shoes, perhaps some flats. Now, what you don't want to do is carry your shoes in your hand. No, no, no. I've seen ladies do that, and perhaps they weren't aware of this protocol. However, to seem a little more refined, you want to get that shoe sack. Yes! Make sure you have your shoe sack. You can place your shoes in this shoe sack, pull that drawstring, and you have a nice little shoe sack. Yes, absolutely. You may purchase this shoe sack and so many others on Amazon or other places, but you definitely don't want to walk around with your shoes in your hand. Now, this shoe sack may remain in your car, or you may place it under the table where you're sitting. Be sure, though, when you're switching your shoes, head somewhere private so no one can see that transition. The bottom line is, ladies, to be more refined, you definitely want to have a shoe sack. You may have purchased a purse, and that purse came in a sack. Use that sack for your shoes or sandals. Make sure that you do not have them in your hand. Bye!